In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use speech-to-speech on ElevenLabs step by step so you can transform your own voice recording into another voice while keeping the natural tone, emotion, and cadence of the original performance. This is a powerful feature for creators, voice artists, and anyone who wants to experiment with realistic AI voice conversion. And if you want more simple tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos just like it. Alright, let's get into it. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access all of the main tools inside your dashboard. If you already have an account, just enter your email and password, complete any verification steps if needed, and move into the main interface. Now look at the left sidebar. You'll want to open Voice Changer, which was previously called Speech-to-Speech. This is the area where ElevenLabs lets you take an existing recording and convert it into a different voice. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the sidebar carefully because it may be placed alongside other voice tools. Once Voice Changer is open, you have two main ways to start. You can upload an audio file that you've already recorded, or you can record your voice directly using your microphone. If you already have a clean audio clip, uploading it is usually the fastest option. If you want to test something live or create a new sample on the spot, recording with your microphone is the better choice. If you're uploading a file, choose your recording from your device and let ElevenLabs load it into the workspace. If you're using the microphone, allow browser access to your mic, then speak naturally into it. Try to keep your recording clear and consistent, because the better your source audio sounds, the better the final result will be. Next, you need to choose the voice you want to convert your recording into. ElevenLabs gives you a few options here. You can pick a default voice, choose a voice from the voice library, or select one of your own cloned voices if you've created one before. Take your time and choose the voice that best fits the style, mood, or purpose of your project. If you're working on a character, a narration, or a branded voice style, this step matters a lot. The selected voice will determine the final delivery, but ElevenLabs will still preserve the original performance qualities from your recording, like the emotion, timing, and speaking cadence. That's what makes this feature so useful. It doesn't just replace the audio, it helps carry your performance into the new voice. After you've selected the voice, double-check your upload or recording one more time. Make sure the source audio is the correct one, and confirm that the voice selection is the one you actually want. Then click Generate. ElevenLabs will now process your recording and transform it into the selected voice. Depending on the length of the audio and the system load, this may take a few moments. Once it's finished, you'll hear your voice converted into the new one, while still keeping the original feeling of your performance. At this point, you can preview the result, compare it to your source audio, and decide whether you want to keep it as is or try another voice. If the output doesn't sound quite right, you can always go back, choose a different voice, and generate it again. And that's the full process. Sign in, open Voice Changer, upload or record your audio, choose the voice you want, and hit Generate. That's how you use speech-to-speech on ElevenLabs in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful AI and software tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.